Hello and welcome back to my channel, you lovely people. What can I say? It's been a while, and there's reasons for that, for being a while. I'll explain more into it. It's only going to be a 6-minute video, not even that probably, just to explain what's been going on. I said I had a new car. I do. Well, newer car, not a brand new car. I had a newer car. What do you like, my Halloween spider? Yeah, that bit was £1, that bit was £1, and that bit was £1. So basically, under about £3, give or take, because we had a lot more stuff, a lot more stuff like that. All stuff like that, yeah. Spiderwebs. I don't dust. Jokes. Of course I dust. I clean my house a lot. All because of these fucking bunnies there. The amount of shit they have on the floor is ridiculous. But anyway, getting back to the point. I said I had a newer car. Yes, my friends mentioned that. Yes, I wanted an automatic, a BMW, an automatic low mileage, parking sensors, blah blah blah. But what happened? My car basically broke. It overheated. It was either the head gasket, a pump, and also the starter motor stop was very temperamental, so I had to get rid of it basically. And at that time I was about a month away from finishing a TV show, 4 O'Clock Club, I've been working on as part of the crew. So I needed something to get there. Thankfully I had a bike, but I didn't want to go on my bike all the time, because sometimes it was raining, and then getting there, riding to work in the rain in the morning, and then being piss wet through for most of the day, and then driving back. So I'd basically always be soaking wet, and I didn't really fancy doing that. I didn't want to put loads and loads of miles on my bike, and it was getting cold as well. I thought, nah, I'm not doing it. So I was looking for a car. I looked at a Ford. They were just shit. No offense to people who have them, but Ford Fiestas, not good. Don't really like where the pedals are situated. Like, I know they're down below, but there's not much give on them. They're a bit shit, to be honest. I didn't really like them. I looked at Audis. Every time I went for an Audi, I found one. It was gone, subject to, well, deposit was put down it, so that was gone. And then we found the more white BMW, so I bought it. I was so happy, really good. It was cheap. It was 5475. We knocked it down to 52, which is pretty good, because I just drove it off there and then. I had it all great. Then I realised there was a clicking on the wheels. Found out it was the back plate behind the brake discs. One is a bit dodgy, so that needs replacing. And also I looked on the gov.uk government website, because you can look at the MOT statuses of any car, which is top notch, I think. I looked on there. It said that all the brakes were advisory, so I thought, you know what, Euro Car Parts were doing a 50% offer on the whole kit, so I got 4 discs, all pads and sensors, and the cleaning formula you have to put on the discs. You have to do that when you put new discs on, all for 132 quid. So I thought, yeah, why not? I'll just do that. And it cost me 80 quid to fit them. Then I found out one of my brake calipers was seized on the front. So I went to a place in Mosley, which are good. Thank you, Vehicle Lab, you are decent. And a Marek there who gave me a good quote. He went all the way to Bury and got me a new caliper for what? 60 quid. And fit it for free. How good is that? That is proper customer service. And lots of the people I know have been there since. Girlfriend's got a new gearbox, a new clutch, MOT in service for around 400 quid or a bit less. Actually, it was less because he already had a few of the things already that spare from a Fiat 500 he was working on before. Girlfriend's mother has gone there. Girlfriend's father might be going there soon. My mum likes the place, and they do a good job. And you know how a lot of companies they charge you to plug in your car. This company doesn't charge you to plug in the car. They'll just, because they know they're going to get business out of you. If they find something, if they don't, then whatever, they may charge you a bit. I don't know, but they were really good anyway. But anyway, to put it bluntly, why I've not been here around. I've been working a little bit on a new TV show, only on dailies. But also, my car's not been on the channel much because basically I've had to put a claim in on my insurance. Wasn't very happy. And it's going in to be mended in a week while I'm away, and they're going to drop it off. And the shop that's mending it, T&C Motorhouse in Oldham, top stuff. Loving it. They're great. They're fixing my car, and they're going to drop it off on the Friday while I'm away on holiday, which is top stuff because it means I don't have to go and fetch it dead early in the morning. I can get it. They can have it there for when I get back. So what's been done to it? It needs a new bonnet, new front bumper, new wing mirror, all this stuff. Why? What have I done? You may ask. My mates have probably gone, bloody hell, you're a shit driver. But you know, actually, it actually wasn't my fault. And I've actually put a non-fault claim in. The only reason why I've had to claim is because the person who I hit, or should I say, went in front of me, pulled out in front of me, had no insurance. Insurance companies, good people who don't insure themselves. So obviously, I had to claim on my insurance. Thankfully, I've protected my no claims. So I won't lose all my 13 years no claims. That's really good. But I will show you when I get back from my holiday. I'm going to Gran Canaria, by the way, for a few days. I will show you how what it looks like post being mended and all that lot. I am very happy with the deal I've got, because you know. But I am thinking all this stuff that keeps going wrong with it and where I live, because I've does my head in where I live. Maybe I should get rid of that and get a they say it's category S or whatever, like a write-off, but it's not, because it was a write-off. People have mended it and it's better. And I've seen like 15, 14 plate BMWs that are pretty damn decent, to be honest, about 5-6 grand. But the other thing is well, the category write-offs, different things affecting your insurance. Well, I know the category S doesn't, because I googled it yesterday and I did an insurance quote. It went up by about £10 a month for insurance, which £120 a month for a 15 plate BMW extra. £150 a year, sorry, £120 a year. That's not that bad if you think about it. So I may look into that, but I may keep my car as well, because my insurance is fairly low on this. I don't want it to go up too much because I am freelance, so I have to be careful where my pennies go. But anyway, so that's basically what I've been up to. I've been doing a bit of gardening because for the winter. Been doing a bit of work around Halifax and Leeds and etc. on a new TV show with Saran Jones. If you don't know who she is, she was in Scott and Bailey. She played Dr. Foster, all that stuff. Really nice lady. Been doing that. I'm not going to tell you anything more about it because confidentiality and all that stuff, but that's who's in it. And also the guy from the Great Canal Journey, the man, he's in it as well. I only saw him for one scene though, but it was great. But anyway, just because of all that stuff, what can I say? I'll be back soon with my car. Hopefully we'll be better soon, and happy Halloween. And also, before I forget, I think I had 16 subscribers. Now I've got 19 subscribers. I know probably my friends subscribe me, so then they can get the video. They can take the piss out of me for the video. I love it when they take the piss because it's funny, it's entertaining for me, entertaining for them. They just take the piss, I don't care. But the other people that don't know me, that are subscribed, thank you very much. I very much appreciate it. Keep those views going up there. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. Hit the notification button. I don't know if it's there or there, depending. Comment, tell me what your thoughts are on a category write-off, if it's been ready for, if it has been mended to road legalness. Is it worth getting it? Why is it good? Why is it not good? Just give me a heads up. Let me know what you think. I'll be doing a few videos while I'm away, taking this camera while I'm away on holiday, getting a few things of Gran Canaria, just the area, anything like that. And since it is Halloween today, the 31st of October, happy Halloween, what can I say, and I'll see you very soon, bye bye.